guys, it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I know that January is literally almost over, but I haven't had the opportunity to sit down and actually film a video like this. So today I am doing a beauty haul. So I went to Sally's and Cosmo and I picked up a bunch of things that are all beauty hair related. And let me just say, the store Cosmo is like my favorite store now. Literally everything that you would ever need as a cosmetologist is there. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, I have a lot of stuff that's been going on and I'm going to be posting a video revolving all around that later on. I can't say right now what it is, but you guys will understand when that video comes out. Don't know when that's going to be, unfortunately, but I've been trying, so yeah. Without further ado, let's just hop right into this video and show you what I bought at Sally's. The first thing, it's sticking out, but I got a mirror. And you guys can see yourself. But I got a mirror. It's just black and it's got a pink border because I didn't get one in my kit and I just figured it'd be nice to have for people to look at their hair and or makeup. The next thing I got was a heat protectant glove for curling hair. I have one, it's really old, doesn't really fit my hand because it's really big, so I picked up one. I then went and purchased a color brush. We're not really allowed to use colorful ones, but I figured might as well just have a backup one for home or whatever. I picked up this Color Solutions hair mask for my mom because she's always saying that her hair dye is always, her grays are showing way too soon. So I figured having this and closing the cuticle and hydrating the hair might work. So I got that. I got a small thing of Barbicide, which if you don't know what it is, it's just basically to sanitize your combs and brushes. So I picked up some of this. I also picked up another conditioning treatment for me and or my mom. It's just an argan oil one, so I've really been trying to look at hair masks for some reason. Next thing I did was I picked up a lipstick. This is a really pretty color actually, if I can show you guys. But I just figured it's nice to add to the collection. And the last thing I did was I got some nail polishes. So I picked up 3 nail polishes. So I have a China Glaze blue one, which is in the shade at Face Value. So nice pretty blue color. And then I picked up a China Glaze pink color, and this one is Belle of a Baller. And then I picked up this OPI color, which is actually on my nails right now, and this is it doesn't have a name. Don't know. So but it was a really pretty color, so I decided to get it. And that was all that I got from Sally's. Now moving on to Cosmo. So, Cosmo is basically just like Sally's. They do have cheaper prices, and they do have a lot more, at least compared to my Sally's and my Cosmo. So, the first thing I picked up were these clips, just black and white. Because I've heard that these clips can hold hair better than the metal ones. And speaking of that, I picked up a small pack of the metal clips for holding hair. Just because you're going to lose some, they're going to get ruined, so be prepared. I picked up a brush cleaner. This helps to get the hair that's out of brushes, so like your round brushes, any kind of brushes, it helps. I picked up this Teasing Comb only because these kinds of combs are really nice, not just for teasing, but like doing an updo and getting those flyaways back. So this one actually is really cool because it can fold, so it makes it good for traveling. So I really liked that. I then went and purchased another parting comb just in case something happens to my Paul Mitchell one, or just I don't want to use my Paul Mitchell one. I have a backup one for home. I then also picked up some of these gloves. So these are the black nitrile gloves. These are like the professional ones that they use. I got them in the size medium because that's usually what my hands are, but you get 10 of these. These are really great when you're doing a chemical process or dyeing the hair, anything that you would want your hands protected. These gloves work great for that. And the last thing that I picked up, not necessarily for like kitchen hair, but because I personally like the way my mannequin's hair turned out, I picked up some Perm Rod. So I got 3 packets, there's 12 in each. But basically, when we were practicing perms in school, I let the Perm Rods air dry. There was no solution, no nothing. And my doll head had the most beautiful beach waves ever. And so I wanted to kind of try to recreate that on myself, maybe do a look with it, photo shoot, something like that with my cousin. So I picked up some of the orange Perm Rods that Cosmo had just to try it out. So there's that. I didn't get the end papers because I figured there was no use because there's no chemicals involved. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is everything that is in my mini beauty haul today. I know this is a kind of short video and doesn't really have a purpose, but I wanted to film it because I was really excited about getting all of this stuff, and I wanted to talk to you guys about, you know, what's going on in my life. And like I said, I'm going to be posting a life update video because so much has changed with the new year. So I am super excited about it. I cannot wait for you guys to see what my life holds. I can't talk about it right now, unfortunately, but yeah. Make sure you guys click the links in the description and follow my social media. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!